Hey guys, thanks again for tuning in. Hope this video helps some people in the future. And I also plan on making some more content for you guys very soon, so stay tuned.
Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to check before the install is that you do have all the parts necessary. Start by taking off the front hood cover. You will need both variations of the T30 Torx screwdriver that come with all V8 series vehicles. This will be located in the trunk of the vehicle. Start unscrewing the first T30 Torx, holding up this bracket. You will also need to unscrew the large Phillips, holding in the bracket. Remove the plastic bracket. Locate the T30 to the left of the headlight. Locate the T30 next to the power steering reservoir. Locate the last T30 on the back left side of the headlight. Note that these last two T30s are on clips and they do not need to be fully taken out. I just took them out to show you guys the length. Now you can move on to the electrical plug for the headlight housing. Now you'll be able to slowly shimmy out the headlight housing. Grab the static protection gloves that come with the headlight kit. Unscrew the housing cap for the headlight. A rubber O-ring will be on the inside of this cap. Push these two metal clips inward. Carefully take out the light. Plug in and reinstall the new bulb. Double check again that this rubber gasket is seated correctly. Do not forget to reinstall this rubber insulation. Make sure that the plug is up and completely out of the way. Slowly start to shimmy in the headlight. Remember to periodically check on those back two T30 clips. Tighten up all four T30 Torx shown in the video. Test the high and low beam function of the headlight. So also just note that the steps for the passenger side headlight are almost identical. You also do not need to take out the airbox. From here you will follow the exact same steps as you did before. Again, remember to have those back two clips lined up properly. I highly recommend this scratch remover if your headlights are as weathered as mine. And that's it. Please feel free to reach out if you have any questions.
Hey guys, thanks again for tuning in. Hope this video helps some people in the future. And I also plan on making some more content for you guys very soon, so stay tuned.